What if I told you that you could finish your most important work in just 4 focused hours a day? Stop trading your time for money. I'm showing you the exact system I use, the block planning blueprint. To-do lists are the biggest lie in productivity. They only manage tasks, not your energy. To defeat procrastination, you must plan when you work, not what you do. Let's start the setup. Step 1. Your control center is Google Calendar. We use 3 types of blocks. Block 1, deep work, blue. High focus, creative time. Block 2, shallow work, yellow. Emails, meetings, admin. Block 3, recharge, green. Non-negotiable breaks and personal time. Go to Google Calendar. Click Other Calendars and create New Calendar. Name it Deep Work and select the blue color. Repeat for the other 2. Schedule recurring blocks for deep work at your peak energy time and protect those blocks. Now, we link tasks. Notion is our database. When planning, filter your Notion tasks for high priority. Then drag those 3 to 5 tasks directly into your deep work blocks in Calendar. The calendar is for tasks that demand time. Remember, the secret to the 4-hour workday is protecting your focus. Turn off all notifications. Use your shallow work block for batch checking emails. This system demands focus, but rewards you with time. To summarize, block planning is not just scheduling, it's defining your life. Stop letting your inbox control your day. Take back your time. Start with just 3 blocks this week and see the change. If this blueprint helped you, hit the subscribe button for more systems. And if you need a quick hack, check out my shorts on Google Calendar color coding. Thanks for watching.